Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. First go to the NX, new, choose model, our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location where you want to save. Save OK, then save OK. Now this is our model diagram. Just open the software. We have this orthotropic view. From that we can draw this model. This one is the front view, this one is the left side view. Go to the sketch, right side view. First, we'll model this plate. For that, go to the front view, front plane, save OK. Take a rectangle, press the roller to confirm. The total length of this plate is 145 and total width is, here we can add 10 plus 24, so just total length is 145. Yes, do you want to scale the entire sketch? Give yes, press the roller to confirm. And here the thickness is 20. Make this as a symmetric one. This point and this point and this axis, save OK. Now the sketch is fully defined, go for finish sketch. Extrude, symmetric value. Now total extrusion is 55 plus 21 plus 24 plus 10. 55 plus 21 plus 24 plus 10. This is the total length of the plate. Save OK. Then we'll create this cylinder. Just go here. Isometric view. Now we just want to create a cylinder this side. For that, go to the sketch again, select the surface, save OK. Take a line, make sure you are in the entire assembly, then only you can able to select this point. From here to here, this one is just specify some dimension, make it construction. Now we have created this axis. Then go for the circle, create one circle. The diameter of the cylinder is, here you can see, 45. Press the roller to confirm. And the center distance is 75. From here to the bottom, the distance is 75. Press the roller to confirm. Now just finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Here one side it is 34, another side is 24. For that just do for one side, which is 34. Inside is 34. Just apply it. Again we can do with this. Other side is 24. Save OK. Now we have created this cylinder. Then we just want to create this support plate. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Save OK. Take the line. Here we just connect it, which is tangent line. And somewhere here, again take a line. From this circle to here, connect it. Press the roller to confirm. And again press the roller to confirm. This distance is from this point to the distance is 75. And first we want to create this center one. Press the roller to confirm. Make a line. Make this as a construction line. Then make this one is a symmetric. From here this one, select this one, save OK. Now it is symmetric. Then close the lines from here, from here. This one and circle cylinder are tangent, as well as this one and circle cylinder are tangent. Again close the sketch by taking the arc, center and ends. This one is the center point. This one is the first end point. Here we have one more end point. Press the roller to confirm. Now go for finish sketch, extrude, change the direction, and the total thickness of the plate is 10 mm. Save OK. Here you can see there is a small round with a radius of 10. For that use the edge blend. Select this edge. Just cancel it. Here it is not merged. For that, just go for the unite. Select the first object and select the second object. Save OK. Now just hide the sketch. Now go for the edge blend. Select this edge and select this edge. The radius is 10 mm. Save OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then go for a rib. A rib with 15 mm thickness. For that go to the sketch again. Choose this right plane. Save OK. Take this profile line. Somewhere from here. Just connect with this point. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we need to define this one. This line, this point from here to this, which is 24. And the height we need to define. From here to this height is, total height is 75 minus 45. 75 minus 45 minus 20. Total height is 70. Total height is 75. Plus 22.5 plus minus 45 minus 20. This is the height. Then we just want to define this point. And this one I'm just giving a 40. Just go for a finish sketch. Then use the tool called rib. Here you can see the rib is creating properly. Thickness of the rib is 15 mm. Just save OK. Here the rib is creating in this way. To make a proper connection, we can go for the sketch, edit, take a line here, just enlarge the line, just connect it here and here. Just go for free sketch. Now we can get the proper connection. Now we'll create these two holes as well as this hole. First we'll start with this two holes. For that, go to the sketch again, select the surface, say OK. Now just create your first hole. The distance is this edge to this distance is 0. That is 0. And the diameter of the hole is 14. From this point to this center of the hole is 21. From here to the center distance, that is not able to define. From this point to here, the distance is 21 plus 24 plus 10. Now we have defined the circle. The same has to be mirrored this side also. For that, first create this line. Make this line as a construction line. Select the circle, go for mirror, select the center line as this one, say OK. Just go for the finish sketch, extrude, change the direction, until next, subtract, say OK. Now we have created these two holes also. Then we'll go for creating this hole. For that, go to the hole, move your cursor to the edge of the cylinder. You will get the hole with, just specify the hole diameter as 20, normal to face, until next, subtract, say OK. Now we have created this. Then we just want to create this oil hole with a dia of 3, countersink, dia of 4. For that, we need to create one plane here. Just select this one, select this bottom surface, move this bottom surface to this side with a distance of 75 plus 22.5. Now we can make this plane as little bigger, say OK. Now just go for the hole. Then we just want to create one point here. Just select this one, sketch. Just finish this sketch. Delete this sketch. Just go for the sketch. Make sure you are selecting this one. It is coming reverse. Change the direction. Say OK. Now we just want to create a point mid of this. Just take this point somewhere here. The point from here to here, the distance is 145 divided by 2. say yes, and from here to here, which is 5mm. Now we have created this point. Then go for finish sketch, then choose this hole. Now the hole is created. Oh, the hole is the not the simple hole, which is countersunk hole. Hole diameter is 3, countersink diameter is 5, which is 45 degree. They are not specified it. Anyway, I'm just giving 45 degree. Just normal to the face. Until next, subtract, say OK. Now here you can see, just hide this plane. Now we can able to see this hole, oil hole, which is countersink. Just right click here, go for the orient view, isometric view. In that, we have finished this tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Next tutorial will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.